Hey, I'm up here at we're right by Heart Bar, the equestrian campground, and my name's Jeff James. I do some videos for the local area. We just rescued Kevin up here. He was stuck up here on Fish Creek Road. He was let me look back up here. He was up there. A widowmaker tree came down, blocked him in last night. I picked him up. I tried to winch the tree out of the road, but it didn't work. I didn't have my saws. I'd taken him out to sharpen them, forgot to put them back in. But this is why you want to carry a chainsaw in the fall, especially actually any time of the year. A tree can go over and block the road. But what I use now, I got tired of mixing gas. A couple Dewalt battery saws, and I always carry two just in case. You know, Murphy will bite you in the ass. Always have two. I carry my charger. There's a can of chain oil. You want the sticky chain oil. 90 weight will work in a pinch, but regular motor oil, it just flings off real fast. But what I did was I bought this, it's a 12-inch bar, but I believe it was a 10-inch when I bought it. I bought a bigger bar. I bought a 12-inch. You can put a 12-inch under, buy a bigger chain. Same thing with this 18-inch. You get a bigger tree. You know, that's good for a 2-inch diameter tree, or 2-foot diameter tree. I believe this was a 16, and I put an 18-inch bar on it because they don't make a bigger one. I think that's the biggest one they make electric. But I can cut down about 3 orange trees with one charge. Like I said, I carry my charger. I want to say, God, I wish I had a price for you guys. I want to say it was $250, $300 for the little one and $350 for the big one. Let's see if I can get you a model number here. I should have got the price. Brushless, it's a 60 volt. Batteries are good sized batteries. What's good about this little one is how light it is. This little sucker, you can one arm with this thing almost. This one, you know, when you get bigger saws, the bigger battery, but also the bigger saws. If you're sawing all day, that'll wear you out. But I also carry my field sharpener kit. I think it was a steel kit I bought. Keep them sharp. I've got a couple extra chains in case I break a chain. And then when I take them in, I just swap. Sometimes I'll sharpen them myself if I got time. If I don't, I'll drop them off to a chain shop. Jesters and Redlands does chains. You know, $5 a chain, I think, is what, $8. Got the little kit. I got gloves in here. I need to get some chaps. I got hearing protection. Got the gloves. I really need to get some chaps. You don't want to have one of these go into your leg. I usually definitely wear long pants. I've seen guys in shorts doing it, but you get a kickback. These are pretty good about kickbacks. It's got the end of kickback. You know, if it kicks back, it clicks that lever off, which kills the saw. And these things really stop. Let me do it on this one. That chain really stops quick. Let me see if I can. Watch how fast I really like these saws. So that's your off-roading tip, hiking tip. If you go backcountry, you really got to have at least one chain. So this little one would be nice. You know, there's no mess with the fuel. I hated messing with the fuel, mixing it. It's pre-mix. You just got to make sure you got charged up batteries. That's why I always carry a 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter and the AC charger. And I always make sure I got them on the charge if I know I'm going in the mountains. So that's it. Thanks for watching.